Hey everybody, here's another little art towel based on another piece of Shane Beck's artwork. I call this one Blue Cactus. And Shane draws these on little cards that are about the size of a 3x5 card. And they're quite detailed and small, but they enlarge quite nicely. This one's got good color, lots of different colors on this one, and a funny blue cactus. And it's printed on linen cotton canvas. There it is, folded in half. And then here's the other half of it. Got a nice Christmas to the fabric. And this is about 14 by 25.5 inches. And this is shown right out of the dryer, and this fabric washes up just beautifully. And it's a fun piece with lots of color, and you might enjoy having that fun piece of art in your home. And thanks to Shane Beck for that great piece of artwork. Bye-bye.